Hey guys, I've partnered up with LG and Lasagna Love to spread some kindness and love this holiday season. Their mission is to connect people and make people smile through home-cooked acts of kindness. So today I am making vegetable lasagnas for a few families struggling with food insecurity. I'm starting with a large pot of water and salt. I'm chopping up all my vegetables. On a baking sheet, I have carrots, onions, and garlic. I'm adding olive oil and salt. I also have some bell peppers, eggplants, summer squash, and zucchinis. I'm roasting them in the oven and cooking the lasagna noodles. I have some ricotta cheese. I'm adding our eggs in. We're gonna mix it really good. I'm using a wok. You can use a large pot. I am taking out the roasted vegetables and adding that to our wok with some oil. I'm sauteing it for a minute, adding our spinach and our mushrooms in. And I'm also adding some tomato sauce and whole tomatoes. Make sure you squish them. I'm gonna cook this for like 10 minutes and then we're gonna assemble the lasagna. First, I'm layering all the veggies and the sauce we just made. Next, I'm adding a layer of our boiled pasta and our ricotta egg mixture right on top. Next is the cheese. I have mozzarella and I'm adding Parmesan as well. Now we're going to repeat the process. Veggies and sauce, the pasta, adding all the cheeses. I'm topping it off with a layer of sliced zucchinis and summer squash. I'm going to finish it off with some more cheese, basil, and red pepper flakes. Our lasagnas are going into the oven at 350 for 20 minutes covered and then 15 minutes uncovered. Yum! They look so good. Our lasagnas are ready. I'm going to pack each one with a loaf of bread, spatula, napkins, forks, paper plates. I'll write them a little note. I hope you enjoy this dinner made with lots of love. Love, Jessica. Time to deliver our lasagnas.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. I don't want to